Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Polkadot price prediction in Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin. This leading Polkadot DeFi project hit $1 billion in total value locked. Having recently won the third parachain auction slot and going live on the Polkadot mainnet this year, Cosmos, and all major Layer 1 blockchains. It offers a range of technology solutions and financial incentives via its BUILD to earn and a star incubation program for WEB3 developers to build on top of a secure, scalable and interoperable blockchain. The TVL represents the token value that has been staked on a star and demonstrates the long-term confidence of the project's investors and community. Even more impressive is that the $1 billion figure represents 45% of the TVL on Polkadot. Earlier this year, the network raised $22 million in a strategic funding round led by Polychain with high-profile investors such as Alameda Research, Alchemy Ventures and Crypto.com giving their support to a star's vision. BUILD to earn with their BUILD to earn program, a star wants to revolutionize how developers making steady progress north. XRP had been on a broad-based recovery since the beginning of March, but that upward channel was broken with conviction towards the downside on 31 March. This has most likely shattered the dreams of a run towards $1 for the altcoin. The next level of support would possibly land near $0.7 region, a level where XRP had been consolidating towards the latter half of February. With the relative strength index, RSI, marginally below 50, upward momentum seemed weak, but not poor either. Any positive news can help push XRP up through the resistance and break the downtrend that is beginning to form. Even the MACD is giving similar signals, with the MACD line crossing over the signal line, but trading in the sub-zero region. Polkadot has been recovering quite well in terms of prices since the beginning of March. So far, it has recovered nearly 50% in that time frame, and is currently trading just below a resistance level, marked in dark green. Its up move has been slow and steady, unlike Zilliqa's, so presumably a price correction wouldn't be as harsh either. Once it is able to cross over the resistance, marked in dark green, $23, it can be expected to rally up to the next logical resistance zone of around $29.30. Even the super trend indicator had positive views going ahead, with the last few candles marked with green at press time. The RSI was also close to 60, so there is enough space for an upward move before it reaches overbought territory. Port of their communities in exchange for their native token. Equilibrium won the most recent parachain slot with over 610,000 DOT and 1,685 contributors. Unique Network is positioning its project for the next parachain with over 524,000 DOT contributed from 2,271 contributors. Each parachain brings unique functionality and use cases to the ecosystem. Layer by layer issue 26. Solana, Near, and Polkadot quick take. In this weekly series, we dive into some of the most interesting data and developments across the Layer 1 blockchain landscape, from DeFi and bridges to network activity and funding. New cross-chain protocols continue to emerge, spurred on by persistent demand for interoperability and shared liquidity between chains. Unified strategies between L1s, bridges, and DeFi protocols are proving to be effective at streamlining user adoption. This week, we take a look at Solana, Near, and Polkadot. Conclusion. The price action and indicators showed a faint possibility of a shift in longer-term bias from bearish to bullish. It was quite early to tell, and $20.34 and $23.1 remain levels to beat. The overall market conditions still read to fear and uncertainty. Hence, risk-averse investors could wait for buying opportunities. Flipping $23.1 to support would be an encouraging sign for bulls, and a buying opportunity in preparation for a run upwards. And second news will this weekend of lower liquidity see Polkadot push past $19. Polkadot climbed past $17.5 on the charts, and flipped it to support before its move toward $19, but buying pressure seemed to be lacking in the near-term outlook. Bitcoin was trading just above the $39K mark, and the short-term direction of the king of crypto on the charts was not too clear either. Weekends are also times of lower liquidity. Will Polkadot's rally push past $19, or was the selling pressure likely to be dominant? In the past week, Polkadot had traded within a range from $16.17 to $17.57. This midpoint of this range was at $16.87, and had some confluence with a longer-term support level at $16.81. In the past few days, DOT has found some support at this confluence of support levels. On the first attempt at a breakout past the range highs, DOT was unable to hold on to the range highs when $17.6 was flipped to support. Bitcoin saw a pullback to $38.8K from $42K, and DOT was forced lower as well. On its second attempt, the price was able to establish a higher high, near term, and also find demand at $17.6, which meant that the short-term market structure was bullish. To the north, the $19 area posed significant resistance to the bull's endeavors. Therefore, a near-term buying opportunity could arise at this level were flipped to support. To the south, the $17.6 would need to remain unbroken for DOT to climb higher. A session close below $17. 6 could see DOT fall back towards $16.2. The RSI stood at 62.16 and showed strong bullish momentum in recent hours. However, it also displayed a bearish divergence between price and momentum. The awesome oscillator also appeared to be forming a lower peak even as the price pushed higher. Alongside, the OBV showed that buying volume has not been particularly high after the retest of $17.6. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot, DOT, a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot, DOT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get is $82.47. Polkadot N 2025 average price forecast could be around $67.90. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. In principle, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video with a friend and turn on the notification on the channel so as not to miss new videos.